Okay, I just got this headlamp from a customer. He said it doesn't last for a long time, so actually we have to replace it. Oh, look at that, 6,000 watts. It's ridiculous. So the light is really bright. Okay, let's open it up. 6,000 watt. It's really funny. Let's open it up and see what is inside. Okay. We have to use a LED solder and pull the battery pack out. Oh, look at that. The cells are old. So the customer said he's used this clamp 5 or 6 months ago. Maybe the capacity of this battery is down. Oh, look at that. By the way, I have an idea to check the power consumption of this lamp. 6,000 watt. It's really funny. Okay, I have to set up the cable in order to connect the lamp to the power supply in order to see the power consumption. Okay, here we go. Turn on the light. Okay. Let's check carefully. The light is on. Okay, let's move on to the power supply. Okay, almost 2 amp. Power consumption is almost 8 watts. 6,000. The reality is only 8 watts. It's ridiculous. I'm going to rebuild the battery pack so that the lamp can last for longer. We use 3 18650 cells. Each cell has 2000 milliamp hours of capacity. The total is 6,000. Okay, let's stick together by welding. Okay, after welding, we have the battery pack like this. Very smooth. Nice. I'm gonna connect the cable to the battery pack. So you have to be careful because of short circuit. After that, in order to protect the battery pack better, I need to wrap it by using this. Okay, put it inside, and I'm gonna use the head gun to heat it up. Here we go. It's almost ready. Let's put it in the headlamp. here we go. Okay. Let's do another line. Try it. Oh, 6,000 watt. It's so funny. You know, maybe you shouldn't believe the label on the information on the products. Okay, I've done. So if you like this video, let's stay tuned and have a nice day. Bye bye, see you.